Welcome to another SID Teacher Login tutorial. This is the second part of a series on managing tests for students in your class. In part 1, we introduced the class's assessment screen and went through how to add a test to a student record. In this segment, we'll talk about reviewing tests for students in your class. Before we begin, we need to be on the class's assessment screen. As usual, we'll start on the dashboard. That's the first screen you land on when you log into SID. Click on a class name to go to the class's attendance screen. On the attendance screen, click the Assessments tab. Okay, here we are on the class's assessment screen. Turn your attention to the grid on the bottom half of the page. This is where we can take a look at selected tests for students in your class. Be sure to read the message. It tells you that the grid shows currently enrolled students with valid pre-tests. It does not show students with no test or a test that is too old for this NRS program year. The body of the grid is made up of rows and columns. You can use the top row to sort columns or to filter results. To sort by a specific column, click somewhere in the column title. You'll notice in this case the names are alphabetized. Click again to reverse sort. The black up or down triangle will tell you whether the details are in ascending or descending order. To filter or find a set of students and tests, type in the search boxes. The white box is just below the names of the columns. Use the menus and key tools to help you refine your search. Below the search boxes, a separate row shows the most recent valid test in each test family and subject for each student. If you need to take a closer look at a student test, click on the desired row and you'll be redirected to the student's assessment screen. Let's look at a few of the columns. We'll start with the retest column. A check mark means the student can be retested in this family and subject. You can use the filter menu to see only people who are eligible to retest. In this case, May is the only one who's eligible to retest at this time, and she's eligible to test in the CASA Schools Math. The hours column shows the number of classroom hours earned since the student took the test. The EFL column shows the current educational functioning level, or EFL, for this test family and subject. The test gain column will show a check mark when this test family and subject shows a level gain in this NRS program year. The student gain column will show a check mark if a student has a gain in this or another test family and subject in this NRS program year. Finally, pre-EFL shows the entry education level for this program year in this test family and subject. Another feature on this page is the Export to Excel button. Click the link to export your full or filtered list to an Excel spreadsheet. Now you know how to review the latest tests for students in your class. We hope you'll join us for the next video in the series. For help with this or any other SID-related feature, send us an email at the address on the screen.